Let's take a look what's inside the Go Kit. Once you open the box, you will see the Go Kit and the detachable strap that you can either store inside the kit or attach to carry it across your shoulder. Let's take a look at the kit here. It's compact, a nice subtle color, and it has a reflective logo so people can see you in the dark. Inside here, we have 4 compartments: food and water, personal hygiene, first aid, communication, and essential tools. We have a pair of gloves to keep your hands warm, a glow stick, a universal cable for an iPhone, Android, and USB-C that you can plug into the solar power phone charger, a quick dry towel, a double heat pack, an all-weather notebook with pencil, 4 water pouches with a 5-year shelf life, 2 400-calorie food bars, duct tape, mouthwash, bamboo toothbrushes, bamboo tissues, hand sanitizer, female pads, windproof matches, a 12-hour survival candle, rope, a convenient multi-tool, a hand crank radio that doubles as a flashlight and USB charger, a solar power phone charger that comes with a cable that also has multiple charging ports, and a flashlight, a pair of goggles, an emergency blanket which retains 95% of body heat, a rain poncho, a KN95 mask, and a first aid kit that has 20 items including a whistle and a compass.